Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back everyone to our English class. Today we are going to continue on Module 8, a story about Tiny and Leo, Part 1. You can open your student's book to page 88 and 89. Let us proceed to our lesson for today. Okay, in the story, there are two main characters, which is the animals. You can see here, this is a mouse, and this is a lion. Can you guess what is the mouse name? His name is Tiny. What about the lion? His name is Leo. Yes, good. Okay, so before this, we have learned about adjectives, right? Can you describe the mouse and the lion using the adjectives that we have learned? Okay, Tiny is small, while Leo is big. Yes. What about their colors? Tiny is brown in color, and Leo is orange in color. Okay, and Tiny is cute, right? Because it is small. Yes. What else can you say? There are many more adjectives, right? Let us see the story first. Okay, so this is a story. I will play the video and you guys need to listen and then read together, okay? Okay, let's listen to the story.
Module 8. Story time. Tiny and Leo. Part 1. 1. Who are Tiny and Leo? Listen and read.
There once was a cute little mouse. His name was Tiny. He was smaller than his other mouse friends, but more intelligent. Tiny was in the forest one day looking for food when he saw a mango. He tried to carry the mango, but it was too heavy. Tiny tried and tried, but nothing happened. A hungry and very dangerous snake sitting in the mango tree saw the mouse and said,
"I can help you carry the mango, little mouse. I can carry it in my mouth."
Tiny knew that the snake wanted to eat him. He was very scared. Leo the lion heard the snake talking to the mouse.
"That snake is going to eat the little mouse. I'm going to save it,"
thought the lion. The snake opened its mouth to eat Tiny. Leo was behind the snake now.
"Don't touch the little mouse,"
Leo said. He picked up the snake and threw it far away. Tiny was very scared. He hid behind the mango. Leo picked up the mango and Tiny with his big claws and opened his big mouth.
Okay, so you have listened to the story. Now, let us look at the story one by one, okay? So, this is frame 1. You can see there are one picture and a text, okay? This is called the frame. Only one picture, okay? Frame. So, in the first one, we can see that the story introduced a character named Tiny, a cute little mouse. Then, he described Tiny as smaller than other mouse, but he was more intelligent, right? Okay, the adjective is smaller and intelligent. Also cute here, you can see. So, Tiny was in the forest and he was looking for a food before he saw a mango. The mango was bigger than him, right? And he wants to carry it, but it was too heavy. You can see, too heavy for him. He tried and tried, but nothing happened. Okay, now let's move to the frame 2. Next picture. A hungry and very dangerous snake sitting in the mango tree saw the mouse, and he said, He want to offer the help. I can help you carry the mango, little mouse. I can carry it in my mouth. You can see the snake is trying to trick the mouse to eat him, right? He want to eat Tiny. So Tiny was very scared because he knew that the snake wanted to eat him. Okay, the adjective is scared. Next, for frame 3 and 4, you can see number 3, third picture, and number 4, right? Fourth picture. Okay, now a lion named Leo was nearby. He heard the snake talking to the mouse, and he knew that the snake wanted to eat the mouse. So he was thinking to save the mouse. When the snake opened its mouth to eat Tiny, Leo get behind the snake and pick him and threw it away. Yes. And the last frame, we can see Tiny was very scared. He hid behind the mango, as you can see, and Leo picked up the mango, and Tiny with his big claws and opened his big mouth, and it stopped right there. You can see the story is not finished yet, right? So what can you guess? What happened to Tiny? What is the next part of the story? Okay, that is the activity for today. Okay, I want you guys to predict the story. What happened to Tiny? And what is the next part of the story? Okay, now for the exercise, I want you guys to read the text in the student's book, The Tiny and Leo, and complete this sentence with the adjectives. Okay, answer your question in exercise book E3. Okay, take your time. Have you guys done? Okay, let us check the answers. For number 1, Tiny was smaller than his other mouse friends. Number 2, Tiny was more intelligent than his other mouse friends. Number 3, the mango was very heavy and Tiny couldn't carry it. The snake was hungry and dangerous. Tiny was scared when he saw the snake. Number 6, Leo the lion had big claws and a big mouth. Okay, did you guys get all correct? Good. Good job, everyone. Now, for the worksheet, I want you guys to answer the worksheet, okay? I have sent the link in the WhatsApp group. So, I want you guys to put number for each sentence to arrange the sentence in correct order. Okay? For example, you can see number 1. Tiny was in the forest looking for food. Which part is this? Is it in the beginning or in the end of the story? It is in the beginning. So, you put number 1. Okay? Number 1. Okay, after that, which one is number 2? Tiny saw a mango. Okay, that is number 2. Number 3. Tiny tried to carry the mango. That is number 3. Okay, then I want you guys to continue to guess from 1 to 10. Okay? Put it in the circle. Okay, so that is all the lesson for today. We have learned about the story of Tiny and Leo. Part 1, we have learned the value of helping. You can see the lion was trying to help Tiny. Okay, so that is all for today. Thank you, everyone. We will see each other again, inshallah. Okay, goodbye. Assalamualaikum.